In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom estimates in CoConstruct, a tool that can completely transform how you manage your construction projects. Stick around because we're not only diving into step-by-step instructions, but I'll also share a tip at the end that could save you hours of work. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll want to log into your CoConstruct account. Once you're in, head over to the project where you want to create an estimate. From the project dashboard, click on the Estimates section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to build out your custom estimates. Next thing you need to do is click on the Create New Estimate button. This opens up a blank estimate form, and this is where the magic happens. You'll be able to add your line items, whether it's materials, labor costs, or even subcontractor fees. You can either enter these manually or, if you've set up predefined templates, just import them directly into your estimate. Now, the fourth thing you'll want to do is customize the pricing. For each line item, you can adjust the quantities, rates, and markup percentages. If you're working with specific suppliers or subcontractors, you can also enter their pricing details directly here. This flexibility allows you to create the most accurate estimate possible for your project. The fifth thing I want to point out is the ability to add notes or special instructions to each line item. This is especially helpful when communicating with clients or your team. Maybe a certain material has special requirements or a service needs additional explanation. This is the place to add those details. Once you've completed all the necessary entries, the next step is reviewing your estimate. Double-checking your calculations is crucial to ensure everything's accurate. CoConstruct will give you a summary of your totals, and you can even compare your custom estimate with any previous ones for the same project or client to see if any changes need to be made. Finally, once your estimate is ready, you can send it directly to your client from within the platform. CoConstruct offers seamless communication tools, so you can share estimates and get feedback without leaving the software. But here's a pro tip for you. You can use CoConstruct's exclusive feature to track changes made to your estimates, keeping a full audit trail. This ensures transparency and can save you in case of disputes later down the line. And before you go, remember, if you're looking to try CoConstruct for yourself, you can access an exclusive free trial through the link below. This extended trial is perfect for those of you ready to take your construction projects to the next level. Click that link, try it out, and see how custom estimates in CoConstruct can make your process smoother, more efficient, and more accurate.